Hi guys, my name is Edwin Joseph Christie. This is Lab 4 working with Power BI for my Business Intelligence Tools class. Today in my presentation, I'll be showing you top 5 states in US with highest number of accidents with ratio to the year. And also I'll be doing an interactive map to show the states. So when you click on the chart, it automatically updates the map and shows the values. So let's get started. So in today's topic, we'll be talking about top 5 states in US with highest number of accidents between the time period 2016 to 2020. Today's presentation will cover the following topics. That is why I chose this topic, screenshots from Power BI, video to show the interactive part on Power BI, references, and the link to video part will be updated once I upload my video to YouTube. So why I chose this topic? Accidents occur every now and then, and it's just a small millisecond distraction that can cause an accident. It might be caused by you, or it might be caused by someone else, someone else's mistake, and you might have just involved in the accident, right? And what I would like to share with you guys is that young drivers, upcoming drivers, should be educated on the main reasons why accidents occur. They should be given different ways on how to tackle these accidents. For example, from according to some reports which I collected online, main reason for accidents in US are distracted driving, drunk driving, speeding, bad weather condition. If you have a bad weather condition, stay home, don't drive. If you feel like you're drunk or if you had few drinks, make sure you call a taxi, or you can call your friend, or you can call your parents, someone, so that they can pick you up and drive you back home so that you don't drive by yourself and get into an accident, right? So in today's topic, we'll be showing the number of accidents occurring each year in the top 5 states of US during the period 2016 to 2020. And these charts will give you an idea of how many accidents are occurring and just give you that glimpse so that you don't make the same mistake. You understand the value of your life and try to take the perfect decision, right? So in the Power BI, I created a map which shows the top 5 states in the US with the highest number of accidents. This is linked with the column chart which I created right here. So we got the top 5 states with the accidents. We got the year 2016 to 2020. Different years, different referred to different color, and these charts are all there. As you click on each year, the map is going to get changed with where the interactive parts comes into action, right? So this is my final um, final last part which I came up with. So we have the map and we have the column chart. Next chart would be a small video on how the interactive part works. So as you can see, you have the map and you have the column chart. So when you click on each year, so right now I clicked on 2020, it automatically picks up the part in the map. And the map is also ARCGIS map from Power BI. It also has those small orange, light orange, dark orange colors in the map, as you can see. It shows the population density in that place. So as you can see, the highest number of accidents occur in higher population density because there's more people driving around, right? It's the same with different states. As you can see, I press on different state, it takes you to that state in the map, shows the accidents in that particular year in different places. Right there, you can see the dark orange shades, which means it's a highly populated place, right? More accidents occurring there and here. And we got some references where I took the data set from and where I got some information on the top 5 main causes of accidents in the US. Now let's move into my Power BI. So I got the data online, but the data was more than 1 GB. So this is what I loaded into my Excel sheet. This is just the raw data. but it was missing data. So when I loaded it into Excel, it showed that some columns or some rows, some information are not loaded because it's too big for Excel. So I didn't cleanse my data in Excel, because if I cleanse my data in Excel and save it and then open the cleansed data in Power BI, then I'll be having inconsistent data because we didn't load the whole data into Excel. So I didn't want to be in such a situation there where I'm giving out people with wrong data and wrong information. So I had all these columns here. So as you can see, source, TMC, start time, end time, city, site, street, number, description. So I cleansed the whole data in Power BI. So how I did was I uploaded the whole thing. Power BI didn't have any issues uploading it, so I uploaded the whole query right here. And I went in edit query, and as you can see, I can select different columns. So I selected the columns which I didn't require, and I clicked on remove column. So it removes the column for you, updates the query, and I removed probably all the columns which I didn't need. So as you can, zip code, country, county, city, site, street, I removed all these columns. And at the end, I just press close and apply, and everything's saved as it is. So we have all these information which I took. So for the map which I created, we used the ArcGIS map from Power BI, and to show the population density, as I showed in the interactive video, I selected these options and I selected the population density. So I just added the population density right there. So we have the map there, and we took the latitude and the longitude from the Excel file, from the data which we was given. We have the state, and the state was filtered by the top n. So we took the top 5 states which had the highest number of accidents. We took that. That was for the map. For the column chart, we have the same thing, the top 5 states. We filtered the state, top 5 states. We also added the year so that we can differentiate the number of accidents. So as you can see, in California, 2019, there were more number of accidents. And this is interactive. As I say, you can click on 2019, it'll zoom in automatically on the map. You can go in California, and these orange places, that represents the population density in those places. So as you can see, these are like highly populated places, and that's why there's a huge number of accidents occurring there. We have the same, you can click on different places, you can click on different state, it automatically picks it up there. We went to a different state now. You can zoom in right here. As you can see, there's a huge cluster of dots right there. Oops. Huge cluster of dots right there. And as you zoom in, you see that dark orange color, which represents it's a highly populated area. So that's there for the presentation. I also added a background image right here, which I did. Just don't select any visualization which you added. Select the plain place, and you select format, page background, and you can add the image right here. And image fit is set to fill. And oh, by the way, how I added the interactivity was pretty easy. It was pretty straightforward. I clicked on the column chart. We go to format, and there is an option to add interactions. So all I did was pressed on add interaction. It automatically did everything for me, and this is my final presentation. Drive safe, guys, and every second matter. Don't get distracted. Thank you.